Today I'm going to be showing you how to make sweet chili sausages and potatoes, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. If you're new here, welcome to Infoods Specials, where the recipes are always simple and delicious. And also, if you're new here, I'm Scovia and I love cooking. So you'll move over to the stove top, and on medium heat I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil just for frying our sausages. Then I'm going to wait for my olive oil to be hot. Once hot, you'll place the sausages in the pan. So you'll cook your sausages until browned on all sides, or until cooked through. So you cook as they cook, you flip. You can also deep fry the sausages. I just choose to do shallow frying because we don't want too much oil, just shallow frying. My sausages are ready, as you can see, and they are golden brown. I'm going to place my sausages in a paper towel to drain excess oil. Then I'll keep this aside. Now, in the same pan, I'm going to add my potatoes. Then I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil just to fry our potatoes. Add black pepper. I'm using half a teaspoon of black pepper. Salt. Then I'm going to use my spatula to stir in the black pepper and salt, and then I'll cook this until well cooked. So this is a recipe for two. So you can double up the amount of ingredients and make for your entire family. And also you can check out the list of ingredients in the description box. And also I've linked several other potato recipes there. So don't forget to go and check them out. Yeah, I'm excited. I always love delicious food. Yeah. So you're going to saute the potatoes for 2 minutes on each side. So you flip them as they cook, or you toss them as they cook. And I'm using medium low flame. So as my potatoes cook, I'm going to be slicing my sausages. So you can slice to whatever size you like. I'm just cutting mine in a simple round shape. My potatoes are also crispening up. If you love potatoes, this is a very nice recipe for you because there are potatoes in the recipe. Growing up, I didn't like eating potatoes because we used to eat potatoes as fries or in stew, beef stew. So there was no other way to eat the potatoes. But nowadays I love eating potatoes because I can cook them differently. Yeah, my potatoes are ready, and I'm going to transfer this to a plate. You can hear the crunch. A tiny little bit of olive oil. Then I'm going to add in my onions. Cook until soft. As my onions cook, I'm going to add a pinch of oregano, pinch of thyme. Stir in. I just want the oregano and thyme to be a little bit fragrant. That's why I'm adding at this point. Once the onions are soft, I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic. So I've roughly chopped up my garlic. Stir. Smelling so good. So you're going to saute your garlic for 1 minute or until fragrant. I love how oregano usually smells once it hits the pan. Then next I'm going to add my pepper. I'm using green pepper. You can use any pepper you have in the house, whether it's red, yellow, or you can use assorted bell peppers for this recipe. Stir. And don't forget to check on the seasoning. As my green peppers cook, I'm going to add back my sausages in the pan. Stir. Because I had added a little salt in our potatoes, I'm just going to add a little bit because I don't want my food to be too salty. And because I had added black pepper in my potatoes, I'm going to add a pinch of black pepper. I love black pepper. Then now I'm going to add my sweet chili sauce. Stir in. And if you don't like sweet chili, you can add ketchup as well. I'm going to place my sausages on one side. Then I'm going to add back my potatoes in the pan. Just warm them up a little bit. Once the potatoes are warmed up, it's time to serve. This is how my sausage and potatoes are looking, and they are smelling amazing. If you try out this recipe, you're surely going to enjoy each and every bite. The sausages are so amazing, and the black pepper potatoes are very good, so good. So thank you so much for watching, and catch you on my next one.